again in the workshop with an interesting one. This Ford Transit and Custom, it has a vibration. Let's go inside the car to road test it, and we're gonna talk more when we're driving. Come on. So low revs, nothing, but just watch out, try to put some load on it. Oh my god, you think the whole engine is gonna fall apart. Can you notice it? This is bad. This is very bad. So if the car drives on idle or low revs, it's fine. You don't feel it. You don't feel it much. So if you're low revs and not much load. However, if you put a bit of load, all of it vibrates. What is the problem? We've scanned it. Nothing reveals under the scanner. Data from injectors all within spec. So what is the problem? Based on experience, we're expecting to be a dual mass flywheel blocked. So the dual mass flywheel has a mechanism in place, and that's how they work to absorb vibrations. And what do we believe? Inside the flywheel something has failed badly, and the flywheel now it's stuck on one position. And what it is, when we apply load, it's causing all this bad vibration to be there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna drive to the workshop, we're gonna take the gearbox off to see exactly, hopefully to uncover our faulty flywheel that is caused this bad vibration. To take the beast apart. To see if the flywheel is the one that heavy stuff. Okay. So far so good in here. The bearing a bit noisy. Can you see anything yet? Okay, yeah it is. Oh my god. Something is very noisy here. Sounds very strange. It's excessive movement. Excessive movement. Let's take the clutch off now. Yeah, it moves excessively too left to right, and it definitely feels strange. Let's take it off. Yeah, the clutch doesn't look too bad. Obviously a bit worn out because you barely see the grooves anymore. But here's the problem. Yes, and there is something wrong. Yeah, I see. Okay, definitely. Something is gone. We have a new clutch in here, and the difference between the flywheel will be if you try to move this flywheel, it's a very limited movement that you can do with the bare hand. When you have the clutch back like this, and now it's also noisy. Now look, definitely the flywheel is gone. Anyway, we got a new clutch kit, new dual mass flywheel back on the car. Bearing, new bearing. Okay, new hydraulic bearing. all ready to go to fix the vibration on this transit. New flywheel install, which is a totally different thing in terms of movement and the way it sounds. So this is definitely going to solve our problem. Are we going to put a gearbox? Is this? No. Huh? Yeah. That's it. That should be it. It's a very heavy box to put on, but this should solve our vibration. The Transit has now a brand new clutch unit and the flywheel, which the flywheel was the main reason of the vibration. We're about to go in a drive test. Let's see if this has fixed that nasty vibration that it was in the car. Come on. Now let's replicate exactly the condition where before we had the massive vibration. So low revs and apply acceleration, and it picks up nice and smooth, exactly how it should be. Yeah, no problem whatsoever. Clutch is very nice and soft, as it should be with the new clutch. So this was the story with the Ford Transit Custom that has developed all of a sudden a massive vibration. A very big problem on the flywheel. It's actually very rare where we see the flywheels failing like that all of a sudden. But hey, this was the situation today. Interesting. Now the van is ready to go back on work. And here was the story. So if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe and stay close to us for more videos related with car repairs and car in general. See you next time.